Good morning, children. Today we are here to study Unit 9 of 9th class, that is, what is inside atom? What is meant by atom? The word atom is nothing but what derived from a Greek word called as tom, which means, tom means, we know clearly Tom and Jerry are existing. A great cartoon serial, within that tom word is there. This term indicates nothing but what? Divisible. For any it is a Greek word which is called as a tom, called as a divisible. For this particular atom, for this particular tom, if we add A, it becomes as nothing but what? Indivisible. That is, what is inside an atom is nothing but what? Tom, divisible, atom indicates indivisible. The study of this particular atom, inside the atom, was first done by Democritus, who belongs to period of 460 to 370 BC. He first suggested an existence of an atoms. What are called as atoms? He derived this particular atom from which word I said the Greek word, which means indivisible and indestructible. It is derived from atomos. He suggested that it is derived from what? Atomos. Which means indivisible as well as indestructible. By this we got that atoms are nothing but what? Indivisible and indestructible. This for this particular concept there is no scientific proof, only philosophically, theoretically this Democritus explained the concept. Later on, one more chemist came into exist. His name is called as John Dalton, who belongs to a period of 1766 to the day of 1884. He proposed one theory. That theory is called as modern atomic theory. In the year 1800, I think so. Modern atomic theory, he prepared it, he proposed it up. What does the theory exist? Later on, we will go into up. He is a school teacher who studied on ratios. With what ratios the elements combine together to form a chemical. Within a chemical reaction, how elements can be get combined, with what ratio they can be get combined. That phenomena was clearly explained by John Dalton. Three different principal ratios he explained: law of conservation of mass, law of multiple proportion, law of definite proportion. By using these three principles, he prepared this particular, he explained clearly about ratios at which elements are combining to form a chemical reaction. And this modern atomic theory, which was performed by John Dalton, is also called as, with another name, the name is called as Billard-Ball model. Billard, we'll play no billards. Billard-Ball model also we can call it up. What does this particular atomic model gives information? It gives information clearly that the matter around us, the matter whatever is existing around us, is made up of an indivisible material called as an atom, a smallest tiny particles, which is called as nothing but what? Atom, which is indivisible and indestructible. That was the first postulate what he has given there itself in Billard-Ball model. In billiards, we are sitting up here with the ball. This is the ball what we are going to hit it up. If it went down also, it won't be get break up there itself. Same as in that nature, the atom will be used to be exist in those days. And these atoms of similar same are having same identical properties. Simultaneously, the atoms of different any other element if you take, they are having different properties. That particular point he has measured. Atoms of same or similar or identical, or atoms of any other element is different. Any other element is different. This was the second point what he has given there itself. These atoms of different elements combined with simple whole number ratio. They will be combined with simple whole number ratio of ratios of to form chemical compounds. To form what compounds? Chemical compounds. To form chemical compounds, atoms can be get combined with simple ratios such as carbon dioxide. Carbon 1:2% that itself, water molecule 2:1 ratio, carbon monoxide 1:1 ratio. In that way, simple ratios atoms can combine to form different types of chemical compounds. That is third point, we can give it up there. Next one is what? Fourth point. What does the fourth point use information for us? In chemical reactions, atoms are combined or separated. Atoms can be get combined or they cannot be get separated, but they cannot form into another form, or but they never changed into another form themselves. They can be combined or they can be separated, but they will never change into another form. They will never change into what? Another form. It will remain same as mass is neither created nor destroyed, but means it is following one rule. That is what rule? Law of conservation of mass rule. Mass is neither created nor destroyed, but it can be reappear in another state, in another form. That particular principle it is following it up. And then combining with what ratios? Multiple ratios or as definite proportion, they are combining it up. By following this particular rule, what happened? Atoms can be get combined or they can be get separated, but never change into another form. This is the fourth postulate what John Dalton has suggested within modern atomic theory, to explain the structure of atom. Till this particular modern atomic theory, what happened? Atom is not further divisible. It will be that existing in the form of indestructible state itself only. Later on, one more chemist of physics came into existence. His name is called as Michael Faraday. He said that atoms are invisible to us. At the time, atoms are invisible to us, and they acquire negative charge particles. When they can acquire negative charge particle, atoms consisting of negative charge particles by performing one process. That process is called as electrolysis process. What is called as electrolysis process? Let me come into the electrolysis process there. If I take it up any material there, by connecting electric circuit there, I have taken a container there, a beaker in which electrolytic substances are added. These electrolytic substances is connected to two plates by means of electricity. I am connecting it up. When the key is switched on, current starts flowing from high potential to low potential. Then these particular electrolytic substances, these electrolytic substances consisting of what? Atoms there itself. These electrolytic substances will split up in the form of positive ions as well as negative ions. They can be split up in the form of positive ions as well as negative ions. By that he said that atom which is invisible to us, it acquires negative charges. The atom will acquire certain charges called as nothing but what? Negative charges. When we are connecting one process, that process is called as what? Electrolysis process. By this we can clearly say that if atom is containing negatively charged particle, means some negative charge particle is existing within an atom. If there is existing of negative charge particle within an atom, there must be consisting of what? Positive charge particle. Why? By default, atom is neutral. How an atom can be get neutralized? Imagine once if it is having negative charge particle, same amount of charge, but it must be existing in opposite way. Negative means what? There must be consisting of positive charge. Together, those negative charge as well as positive charge together makes atom as neutral state. Therefore, by default, as we know that it is having negatively charged particle, it will exist, it have to exist some other subatomic particle called as positive charges. Due to existence of these negative charges, some negative charge particles as well as positive charge particles, when they are combining, no charge existing nature particle can be exist there itself. This is the concept how atom can be divisible by means of subatomic particles called as electrons, protons as well as neutrons. This is the whole concept how an atom which is indivisible and indestructible at the period of 1766 to that of 1884, later on as the 19th century or 20th century came into exist, they different chemists by performing various experiments, they said that atom which is indestructible can be destructible as it is having some subatomic particles within that one, such as negatively charged particle, positively charged particles. These together are existing in equal ratio. Due to that reason, atom can be exist in the form of a neutral stage. This is the total introduction about atom. In next class, children will go through with what? Subatomic particles of an atom. Till that, try to recapitulate the concept, try to analyze the concept and be familiar, and all the best for the preparation. Okay children, within this particular theory, the concept in general introduction, what would be your worksheet? How an atom consisting of democratics? How we said itself atom is indestructible. Simultaneously what? Modern atomic theory which was done by whom there? Sir John Dalton, who belongs to 1766 to the of 1844. What are the postulates of a modern periodic table? What this particular modern periodic table is also called as? And what chemical ratios? He said he discovered a chemical ratios, means what happened there? Atoms of different elements can be get, simply they can be get mixed up there itself. With what ratio they can be get mixed up? They are nothing but what? Conservation of mass, multiple proportions as well as a law of definite proportion. By considering these three laws, he introduced the modern periodic table of Dalton atomic theory of atomic model. Later on, how this particular Michael Faraday came into exist and said that atom is having a negatively charged particle when electrolysis process is conducted. How it can be explained? These two questions, if you study much more better, much more elaborately, you can analyze the concept. Till tomorrow, till next class, try to revise this concept and grasp knowledge. Thank you.